Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a film burn transition to your videos in Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. So let's get started. Alright, you can see on the timeline I have got 2 different stock footage. Also, I've already got 3 pre-made film burn transition assets and sound effects on my computer. With these transition assets, we are going to add film burn transition to our videos. I will give you these transition assets for free. You can find the download link in the video description if you're interested in using the film burn transitions in your videos. Now let's drag and drop the transition assets into the project panel of Premiere Pro. Next, we must drag and drop the film burn transition assets to the middle position on top of the 2 video clips. Now let's select the transition and move over to the Effect Controls panel. Next, find the opacity section and then click on the Blend Mode drop-down menu and select the screen mode from the list. Now you can see on the program monitor, the film burn transition has been successfully added, and now it's time to add a sound effect for the transition. Let's go over to the project panel, and then drag and drop the first sound effect onto the timeline. Now we are done. In this way, you can add all the film burn transitions to your video inside Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.